Hey!
Good job. Come on. Come on. It's okay. Don't get mad. You can do it. Come on. Come on, Booger.
Hey, come on!
Come on. She's looking at the camera. That's good. Come on. You're on camera. And just let her go. Come on. Come on. Get the camera. Get
You
it.
can do it! Come on!
Get it. Look at you. What a great face. Come on.
Is that a fart?
I don't know. That's good though, either way, it's helping her.
Hey! Hey! Hi! How are you doing?
You're doing good, sweetheart. Keep coming. Come on. Keep going.
She just won't stop looking at this camera.
That's good. Every time now we're going to have to videotape you so you keep your head up. Keep your head up. Come on. Come on. No, that's good because it's making her lift her head, I'm telling you.
Super strong!
Oh, look at you. Her head looks huge.
Hi, I'm Abigail. I have a really big head. Say, Daddy! Yeah, Daddy! Come on! Daddy! Oh, don't get mad. Okay. Okay.